Problem 22A on page 556 says, for each of the following solutions, the mass of the solute is given, followed by the total volume of the solution prepared. Calculate the molarity for part A. That's 4.25 grams of copper 2 chloride and 125 milliliters of solution. So for molarity is the moles of solute per liter of solution. So if we're going to do this, we're going to need to know the number of moles of solutes and liters of solution. We are given a mass of solute here, 4.25 grams. So we're going to have to change grams to moles to put that on top, and then we have a volume of solution. However, it's in milliliters, and we're going to have to convert that into liters. Let's just go ahead and do that now. We can probably recognize that a milliliter is 1/1000th of a liter, so to make this conversion, we can just move the decimal point over 3 to the left, and this will be 0.125 liters. Okay, but we're going to have to take a little longer to do the grams to moles conversion. So if we're going to change grams to moles, we're going to need to know how many grams there are in a mole of copper 2 chloride. So it's over here on the side. This is 1 copper, and the mass of 1 copper is 63.55. And then there are 2 chlorines, and those are 35.45 each. So when we add that whole thing up, we get 134.45, and that's the molar mass. And so the units on that will be grams per mole for calcium chloride. All right, so with that done, let's go back over here. We can now change the amount that we were given, which is 4.25 grams, into moles. So 4.25 grams of calcium chloride times, and we know that there are 134.45 grams per mole. We're going to need to write that so the grams are on the bottom, so that way they will cancel out, and on top is 1 mole of calcium chloride. I'm sorry, it's copper chloride. Let me fix that. I did it in both places. Copper 2 chloride, so that's a U in both places. And now the grams will cancel out the grams, and when we do that math, we are going to find that that is 0.0316, rounded to 3 significant figures, moles of copper 2 chloride. All right, so if we're going to find the molarity then, it's moles of solute over liters of solution. So let's just take this answer and divide it by the liters of solution that we had found up over here. So that is 0.125 liters of solution. And so this answer comes out to be, rounding again to 3 significant figures, 0.253, and that's moles per liter of copper 2 chloride. But we can abbreviate that moles per liter as 0.253 capital M, which stands for moles per liter of copper 2 chloride. And so let's just give that a box so it's easily found. And we have the answer, 0.253 molarity copper 2 chloride.